Good morning, morning meeting of 13th of November. Today on economic calendar we have mainly the CPI, which is the most important data of the week. We are waiting for have more good news on this part. More good news means CPI going decrease a bit. We waited for to go a bit higher, 2.6 instead of 2.4 previously on the CPI. If the CPI gets back higher, then the Fed on the 18th of December will have to decrease again their main interest rates. If the CPIs come below, maybe the Fed will keep the interest rate quite high. So we'll have this afternoon. It's a very important data, but we'll have two more CPI information before the next Federal Reserve meeting. On the earning part, nothing specific. We have seen this this morning already. Cisco this afternoon, but after the end of the market. But as most of the big tech has already give their earnings for the third semester, then we don't have any surprises. This is the market yesterday. As you can see, Tesla get down a bit. He has to compensate the big jump it just did, as well as all crypto markets. But we reached the highest on the BTC at 19,000, which is very, very high. All the different crypto are going back down a bit. We see this afternoon how the market will go, but anyway, as each time we have like a big push in the market, we always have a compensation due to the fact that other people who win some money has to validate this one. And the information part, we have the German First Minister, Mr. Scholz, who had a reverse on his last election. We'll see how the stability of Germany will stay, and we start to have some part of Mr. Trump team. So we'll see very soon. As you can see here, Associated Press. All the team Mr. Trump is starting to reach and to put together to get his government in place. On technical analysis part, we'll have to see. We'll see on this part here. On the ES, let's do it on a daily basis. We reached the highest here, and we have a little compensation here, retracement. This retracement will maybe bring us to 5,960 or 50 around here before going back. Anyway, we'll have to wait this afternoon for the CPI information. On the Nasdaq, we finally get a new high on the markets, and then we have a small compensation, very small compensation. The market is going down very slowly. So we'll wait this afternoon for those other data. On the oil, we have surely a buying point here, just here. We reached the 67, 68, which for us is a buying point. As you can see, each time we reach this point, we get back to a higher point, about 75, 77. Gold, let's have a nice on the gold. Gold also had a retracement as Mr. Trump election gives a bit of information of the market and get down the stress. So it means that the gold has it is value that we can use when there's stress on the market. But then we can buy gold and be careful. And in that case here, we have the stress going back, so the gold going back too. It's going back to 2,500, 2,600 around this part. It could be a new buying area. So we'll have a close look on this part here, which is quite interesting. We stay in a very higher trend. uptrend. The uptrend is not broken at all. As you can see, in any uptrend, we still have some retracement or standing parts. Those standing parts, those channel that we can see here, this kind of range, we can use them as the new buying part to wait for a new comeback to the highest. As you know, on the gold market, a lot of states are buying gold to their Federal Reserve. Thank you for this morning. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.